Hello viewers, what's up? Today I'll show you how to solve the red flame in double banana gas cooker. So let's start the video. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. At first I'm close the bell. Again I'm trying to open the bell. Two banana also getting red flame, and so I'll show you how to solve this problem. Every gas cooker has two keys for adjust the flame. Every gas cooker have two adjustable key in bottom. So you have to adjust the bottom adjustable key and maybe it will solve quickly. I'm adjusting the two burner, so I'll show you now how to adjust the adjustable key. I'm tilting the gas cooker. You have to tilt the gas cooker and you'll find the adjustable key. This two is for adjustable the red flame and blue flame. So you have to adjust like this. I'm trying to show you this is working or not. After adjusting the bell, now working properly. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like my video and share your friend.